Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. First thing this morning, let's get a mosquito repelling fire going. This is my fat wood. Here is some oak. Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. It's about 100 degrees out here, but I still want to try out those ashes that we made this morning. Let's use them for grip on my hands. And we'll use this hand drill. This is the Yucca hand drill. And you recently saw me use it on this fireboard in this very divot. I usually don't like a thick fireboard like that, but I didn't want to take the chance of carving it down and maybe it breaking. So therefore, I've already gotten 2 embers out of that one divot. Let's see if we can get it. This fireboard will stay in place better if I wet the back of it. It causes that grain to swell up and to raise up and grab a hold of whatever it's sitting on. And this time I will use a little ember catch, that water oak leaf. Get rid of all that char. Now let's go for it. Not quite yet. I need to take down on the diameter of that tip. You never want these sidewalls rubbing those sidewalls. That is just wasted energy. That should be better. Got a good ember. Let's let it coalesce now. And I'll put some ashes in there. Let's give it a try. Well, I don't have my knife on me. Let's use the amber catch to scoop it up on. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. The day has finally come. Let's go ahead and harvest one of our mullein plants. Let's get the top half or the top 2/3 of this tallest one. It's about 8'2". I'm leaving the other one because it's got some side shoots coming off of it. It's got some little branches, about 4 or 5 little branches on it, so we'll see what it's trying to do. Hopefully I can use this for hand and bow drill. That will depend on the wall thickness. For the past several years, every mullein that I've harvested has had paper thin wall thickness. You got to have more wood when it comes to that for a hand drill spindle or bow drill spindle. So let's cut it right here just above this paracord support. It's only about 1/16 of an inch in thickness, so this is probably not going to be good for any kind of a spindle, but I'm still going to dry it out. And it's no thicker on that end. I'm going to go ahead and stick it in the back glass of the Camry. I think the green mullein in cotton fire roll ignites every time because I can smell it. But it's always trying to snuff itself out because it has gotten so rock hard. The trick to it is not getting the ignition, but loosening it back up. Let's see if we can do it. And I just need like a 1/2 inch by a 1/2 inch piece. And a jumbo cotton ball. So I'm going to roll it forward 20 times. That will ignite it, and then start rolling it back and forth, which many times will make the roll loosen back up. Turning it 180 degrees. You see how long it took to extricate that ember? It's got to overcome all that moisture too. So it's the tightness and the moisture that it's trying to deal with, I guess. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe. Well, it's all pith, not enough wood. That is not enough thickness to make enough friction to create an ember. Sad. We'll go ahead and try it on this hand drill fireboard. Let's get a fire going first though. Let's see what happens. I'll give it another 10 passes down the spindle. That is a first. Took a lot of effort. Let me get some pine needles. There's not a lot of mass there. That's going to burn up quickly. So let's get it in our pine needles. Another first for me. yucca hand drill spindle, tulip poplar fireboard. I've already gotten 3 embers out of that. Let's see if we can get a 4th one. Four embers out of that one divot. Now, I might have been able to fire up my tinder bundle on that last ember if I had made some pine needles dust powder. Like I'm doing now. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.